Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I will deliver lecture 5 of week 3 and we will continue with office automation. In our previous lecture we have discussed about inserting picture and table. To insert the picture, click on the insert tab and then click on the picture option. To format a picture, you have various options like positioning the picture, wrapping text, or how to wrap text around the picture, and many others. Table consists of rows and columns. Intersection of row and column is called a cell, where you will enter your data. Today we will discuss that how to insert table in MS Word. For this, click on Insert tab and then place your mouse pointer on the cell in the 4th row and 5th column and click. A blank table consisting of 4 rows and 5 columns will be inserted in the document. Or otherwise you can select the insert table option and there you can give the number of rows and column and click OK, and your table will be required table will be inserted in the document. Now after inserting the table, user can enter data in the cells. Adding, deleting and resizing rows and columns. To add or delete a row, you have to select the row below which you want to insert a new row, or you need to select a column after or before that you want to insert a column. You have the options of inserting left column or inserting right column. And you will see that in the cell size group in the layout tab there is an option to increase or decrease the height and width of the cell. You will select the cell and increase or decrease height and width by using the options given in the cell size group. Merging and splitting cells. Here in the table, in the image you can see there are 4 columns. You can merge the columns in the first row by selecting the first row and click on the merge cells option in layout tab. As you can see in the image, we have merged all 4 columns of row 1. Once you have merged, the split cells option will enable. You can again split the cells in 4 columns by selecting the above row. Adding border and shading. To add a border and shading in your table, first you have to select your table and then in the home tab you have the option of border button. By clicking on that button, a drop down menu will appear and you have to select border and shading option. After selecting that option, the dialog box shown in the figure will open. And here you can give different colors, styles, style of thickness to your table. Today we have discussed about merging and splitting cells of the table by using split cells or merge cells options in the layout tab. Borders and shading. We have learned how to apply borders and different colors to the borders of the table. by using the border button. Assignment: you have to practice and explore all these tasks at your home. I hope you all understand the lecture. We will meet again in our next lecture, inshallah. Thank you.